Hello, hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a server error on YouTube. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of server error on YouTube, you should just go to settings. In the first page, you can click on apps and you can enter to YouTube app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.